Here's a little later model pickup at Unique, especially in classics. Let's take a look at this one. 2013 Chevrolet Silverado, regular cab short box, two-wheel drive. Sits up though, has a nice stance to it. Nice Chevy wheel on it. Michelin tires, actually, they were put on within the last year. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles, just a little over 21,000 is all on this. 4.8 liter V8 underneath the hood. Automatic transmission with overdrive, power steering, power brakes, AC. This vehicle is also going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price and may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. 507-386-1726. Number you can call if you'd like to talk to a sales associate, inquire more about this truck. Good looking wheel. Interesting color too, the woodland green. Kind of sharp. Dark titanium interior. Split bench seat with a fold down armrest. And kind of center console, I guess, if you will. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at it. Start it up, let you hear it run. You can see paint shows well on it. There's a few spots where might have had a touch up along the way or a light scuff. It's been driven, but overall shows well, no doubt about that. Remember, we take trades. We do consider trades, of course. Financing is available, and we can assist with transportation. Take a look at the rear bumper. Also in good shape. Spray and bed liner has already been installed for you on this one. Once again, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. The other thing I'd like to mention is we do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You want somebody else to come take a peek at this one, report back to you, see how it compares to the videos and the pictures that you see. More than welcome to. Like I said, open door policy for third-party inspectors. We see them quite often. We try to represent these as fairly as we can with all the pictures that are taken, undersides and interior, exterior, and of course the videos of the walk around like this and driving video also. Sure, check out our reviews on Google too. A lot of customers on there that have gotten cars from us that report back and leave reviews. I'll pull that key a second so we don't have to listen to the door chime. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Just take a look at the rubber flooring. Also in nice shape, which is handy when it comes time to doing cleaning up, anything like that inside of here. No rips, tears, holes in the seat. I guess what you'd expect with those kind of miles. Again, a little over 21,000, clean Carfax. Let's take a look at exactly how many there is. $21,947. Gauge is working, and as you can see, no warning indicator lights, check engine lights, anything like that. Just that one flashing telling me to put my seatbelt on since I don't have it on. AM FM CD player. AC blows cold. Traction control. Top of the dash. Good shape. Headliner. Interior looks good. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. I guess sounds like a late model Chevy V8. Let's go up to the front. Let's get this hood open. Check out the engine. See how it looks underneath the hood. Give me 1 second. I'm just going to pop it open and we'll take a look under there. Underside of the hood. Extremely clean. This doesn't look like it's been driven in inclement weather at all. Take a look at how clean that hood liner is. Assuming the rest of the engine bay is going to look the same. And yes, it does. Again, 4800 Vortec V8. Plenty of power for this truck. Automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. No surprises on this one, especially being a little later model vehicle, low miles, clean Carfax. 2013 Chevrolet Silverado regular cab short box. Remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price, may be extendable out to 10 years. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2013 Chevrolet Silverado. Regular cab pickup truck. This is an automatic on the column. Factory stereo working great. Accelerates as you would expect. Good running truck. Our wipers are working. The air conditioning is blowing cold right now. Cruise control also functioning. Very smooth ride. This truck only has 21,949 miles according to the odometer, and it does feel brand new. Cloth seats. We do have the rubber floor mat in this truck, which makes for easy cleaning and waterproof. Brakes working excellent. People that don't know how to drive in a roundabout. Truck corner's excellent. Everything about this truck feels like new. Our gauges are working. Fuel is at 3/4. Temperature around 200. Tachometer working. Everything looks like new. Check all the pictures out and all the details at Unique Classic.